Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of negative 5.64. Now, let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock has broken the very wide and weak rising short-term trend downward. This signals a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning about a potential trend shift. With the trend now broken, there will be resistance at the bottom line of the trend at $471.87. A reaction back to this level may provide a second chance to exit before further declines. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 2.85% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 6.87% and 36.1%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 1.24%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 3.16% to 40.14% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $468.45 and $636.37. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, "Is UnitedHealth Group stock still a buy?" after falling 22.38% on Thursday. The UnitedHealth Group stock price decreased by 22.38% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025. The price dropped from $585.04 to $454.11. During that day, the stock fluctuated 9.55%, ranging from a low of $447.10 to a high of $489.79. The price has shown volatility during this period, with a loss of 15.97% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 24 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 28 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $12.58 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $630.73, while the lowest was $438.50. Currently, the stock price is 28%, or $176.62, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group is encountering significant challenges following its recent earnings report, which has resulted in a downgrade of its 2025 revenue forecast, primarily due to issues within its Medicare segment. This unexpected earnings miss has taken investors by surprise, as UnitedHealth has maintained a history of reliable performance since the financial crisis of 2008. On April 17th, the stock experienced a notable drop, reflecting a 20% decline in market capitalization as concerns grow over rising medical costs and the impact of inflation on future earnings. The company's leadership has acknowledged vulnerabilities in their business model, heightening investor anxiety. Despite these short-term setbacks, analysts suggest that UnitedHealth still possesses strong long-term potential, forecasting annual earnings growth between 13% and 16%. However, the current circumstances may deter investors in the near term due to escalating costs and an uncertain regulatory environment. While UnitedHealth's challenges have influenced its stock price, they have not significantly impacted the broader healthcare sector, with companies such as Eli Lilly experiencing gains due to positive developments. This divergence underscores the necessity for careful investor assessment regarding UnitedHealth's future trajectory. Overall, the combination of missed earnings and reduced guidance could weigh heavily on stock performance, both in the immediate and extended outlook. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned UNH an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was also reported that Bernstein rated UNH as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, Stephens gave UNH an overweight rating along with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, Jefferies rated UNH as buy with a hold recommendation. Lastly, on Thursday, the 5th of December, 2024, Stephens again rated UNH as overweight with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The stock of UnitedHealth Group is currently showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at $568.88 and $517.17. A breakout above either of these levels would result in buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, April 11, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 24.25%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal, 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal, 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal, 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 6 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically exhibits average daily movements and, with sufficient trading volume, is considered to carry a medium risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated between a high and low of $42.69, representing a change of 9.55%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 3.92%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively typical PE ratio, commonly observed in companies with long-standing histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 17th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $7.29. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $466.42. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of April 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. On the same day, John H. Noseworthy also conducted an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. In addition, Frederick William McNabb III executed an insider purchase of 183 shares of common stock on April 1st, 2025. On that day, Paul R. Garcia made an insider purchase of 60 shares of common stock. Paul R. Garcia also made another insider purchase of 108 shares of common stock on the same day. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 57.877. Overall, insiders purchased 273,529 shares and sold 70,439 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? The stock of UnitedHealth Group shows several concerning signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that it will perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a buy to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of April, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open higher by $9.56, beginning at a price of $463.67. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in any buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.